We're going to look at how to use shared calendars on Office 365. First of all, log into the Office 365 portal and go to Outlook on the left-hand side. You should have received an email inviting you to the shared calendar. Click on this, and then when the email opens, click on Accept. Once it's added the calendar, you can press View Calendar and open that up in a new tab. Now you'll see that the shared calendar has been added down on the left-hand side. We're going to start by adding a test appointment for ourselves, and you can see that the colour scheme of this matches the colour that it will appear on the calendar, and we can press Save. Now we're going to add an appointment for a shared event, so we're going to type in the name, and then we're going to go to the drop down menu up near the top and select Whole Company Calendar, and you can see that it changes the colour scheme that it's using, so you can be sure that it's going to be added to the shared calendar. Set the time and define whether it's a Teams meeting or not, and press Send. Now that's going to appear for everybody that's got the whole company calendar. You can also click on the tick boxes to show different calendars or the shared calendar.